Hey folks, a lot of clouds overhead today, and from those clouds we've even seen some light rain and drizzle in a few places, and there's still a little bit of that out there. The sun just having a really hard time breaking through. It did for a little bit in a couple of spots, and the clouds just thickened right back up. This is radar last couple of hours, and you're seeing some light showers moving south to north across the region. One just crossing the Willacy-Cameron County line, but for the most part it's just been real light stuff, much more mist than hit. But again, the sidewalk wet, the street wet for just a little while. This is what it looks like on cloud cover, and the skies have been gray all day today. Again, the clouds tried to thin in a couple of spots, but even without doing that, without seeing much sunshine, we were still able to warm up into the 80s pretty much valley-wide. Now, Future Track picks up on those light showers and suggests that they will continue moving northward tonight into tomorrow. During the daytime tomorrow, spotty showers a possibility again, and temperatures probably holding about where we are right now. So mainly cloudy and warm with a slight chance for a shower tomorrow. Not anything big, but again, a brief shower a possibility. A front is actually going to stall probably just north of the valley. If that front happens to sneak a little bit farther to the south and east, then areas back in the western part of the valley could cool off maybe 5-10 degrees for a little while until the front stops and moves back to the north. It's going to stall very close, and it's possible it could reach the northern western sections of the valley. By late in the day, maybe some breaks in the clouds, but still a mostly cloudy day across the valley. And then Sunday, skies clear out for the most part. We end up partly to mostly sunny and just downright hot. Afternoon temperatures on Sunday probably back to near 100 degrees. A lot like last Sunday. Sunshine, lower humidity. It's just another hot Sunday across the valley. Now, if we look at the rainfall chances, the yellow line is our rainfall chance. And tonight, it's low. I mean, there's stuff out there. Doesn't amount to a whole lot. It drops off for a little while tomorrow and then comes right back up again. And you get into Saturday, there's daytime tomorrow up into the maybe 20% range, something like that, which is about where we were today. Tapers off tomorrow night. There's a slight chance for a shower early Sunday morning. And then after that, it dries out again for at least a couple of days. I think we'll see dry weather through the middle part of the week. So 20% tomorrow, 10% tomorrow night. Sunday should be dry. I could put about a 5% chance in there Sunday morning, but after that we're dry. We just don't see much happening at all. Now let's talk temperatures. Here's where we are right now. 80s valley-wide, the exception being the island at 77. Tomorrow, about the same, mid-80s for the most part for highs, mostly cloudy with a spotty shower. But watch this. We're going to Sunday now, and look at these highs on Sunday. That's pretty close to last week, and we're right at or above record levels across a lot of the valley, with even Brownsville making it to 101 on Sunday. They did that last weekend as well. So if you look at your three-day highs, 85 tomorrow, that's really close to normal. 100 on Sunday. If we get there, that'll break the record of 97. And 95 on Monday, that would tie a record as well, even though it's a big step down from Sunday. So a couple of very warm days on the horizon, and we don't see many big changes next week. So your weekend, Saturday, mostly cloudy, brief shower, 85, and then Sunday, sunny and hot. Humidity goes down a bit during the afternoon. If you're in place on the coast, 79 on Saturday, 87 on Sunday. Nature's air conditioning doing a good job there. There is a front in Texas. You can see it right here. 74 in San Antonio, but 51 in Abilene. That state moving southward, that front moving southward across the state. So for tonight, mainly cloudy with a few sprinkles. 74 for low. That's it. And then tomorrow, we're back up to about 85. Similar to today, mostly cloudy with an isolated shower around you. Winds tomorrow out of the east-northeast at about 7 to 17. Here's a look at the next 7 days now. We start with Saturday, Sunday, Monday. We've talked about that. 85, 100, 95. And as we get into next week, look, on Wednesday, we're back to 99 again. I mean, the heat is on again for the middle part of next week. So no big cool down coming anytime soon, even with a couple of fronts on there. Looks like a hot week ahead. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.